I am Sherry Griffith, your virtual specialist for middle grades health and physical education. In this webinar series, we will be focusing on strategies for accommodating learners. The content of this presentation is aligned to the state of Georgia's Teacher Keys Effectiveness System for Performance Standards 2, 3, 4, and 8. Instructional planning, instructional strategies, differentiated instruction, and academically challenging environment. The purpose of this webinar series is to help educators to accommodate learners' differences in needs while facilitating instruction. This includes using effective strategies and resources during instructional planning, using relevant research-based instructional strategies to engage students and to facilitate the students' acquisition of key knowledge and skills, to provide appropriate content for developing skills and for differentiating instruction which challenges and supports each student's learning, and for creating a student-centered academic environment in which teaching and learning occur at high levels and students are self-directed learners. In this session, we will be focusing on strategies that help students make meaningful connections between math content and physical education content, while helping the students to demonstrate competency in a variety of motor skills and movement patterns, helping the students to apply knowledge of concepts, principles, strategies, and tactics to perform movement patterns and movement combinations, and helping students to demonstrate competency in a variety of manipulative skills such as throwing, catching, striking, dribbling with control, dribbling while traveling, and passing. In this session, we will also be focusing on utilizing math content such as graphing and calculating to help students track activity and progress in order for the students to demonstrate knowledge and skills which help them to achieve and maintain a health-enhancing level of physical activity and fitness, as well as to help students to analyze their results and make indicated adjustments to contribute to the improvement in components of the Georgia Fitness Assessment Program, increase time spent in moderate to vigorous physical activity, and to demonstrate the components of the FIT principle.
Top 5. Top 5. Top 5. Top 5. Top 5.
In this portion of our webinar series for accommodating learners through the integration of math content in the PE classroom, we will be discussing conventional and relevant instructional strategies for supporting student opportunities to be exposed to math content relevant to their grade levels during PE class, while playing large group games or small-sided games, which allow students to demonstrate a variety of motor skills, movement patterns, and movement combinations, while allowing instructors to make contributions to the physically educated student, which benefits the whole child in multiple content areas. These games can be implemented as warm-up activities, cool-down activities, or to contribute to students achieving 50% of physical activity time spent in moderate to vigorous physical activity.
Top 5!
Number 2 on the list of my top 5 math content integration ideas includes a game called Breakout Room Relay. Breakout Room Relay is a large group relay style game that helps students to demonstrate competency in a variety of motor skills, movement patterns, and movement combinations in multiple activity categories, as well as applying the knowledge of concepts, principles, strategies, and tactics related to movement and performance, such as changing speed, direction, and applying basic strategies and motor skills techniques in small-sided gameplay. Some of these skills may include running, shuffling, skipping, skipping with a jump rope, or jumping rope while traveling. Breakout Room Relay is a game in which teams of 4 to 6 students travel together while completing a physical activity as a team, such as traveling together while skipping and holding hands, or traveling together while jumping rope from one side of the basketball court to the opposite side. Instructors can increase the intensity or vigor of the physical activity by having students to crab walk or bear crawl as a team, or even require teams to complete the designated physical activity to the opposite side of the court and back. Once the full team has completed the relay physical activity task, students receive a mathematical word problem to be completed in order to move to the next level or break out, very similar to tasks in an escape room. Word problems for the teams to complete should be relevant to the group of students' grade level. In order to move to the next level, students must earn the right to do so by providing a correct response to the mathematical word problem by working together as a team. Upon completion, the team receives a flag to move on to the next level and their next physical challenge or physical activity to be completed. Once again, the full team must complete the physical challenge or physical activity and run back together to receive their next word problem. This process continues in order for teams to break out and receive their next flag. A team escapes or breaks out once the team has earned all 5 flags, or the number of flags for each player to have earned their own flag. The game is completed once all members have broken out. The team to have successfully escaped first by earning all of their flags wins. Please visit the Georgia Department of Education community website at community.gadoe.org for more helpful tips to collaborate, connect, share thoughts, or resources for teachers and administrators. Thank you for viewing, and we hope you enjoyed our webinar.